Hi, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my brand new Nikon D7500 DSLR camera and the accessories I bought just today. So let's see what's inside this box. So we got the warranty card information and the user manual. And let's take off this cover. So in bubble wrap we have the camera body. Let's take it out. So the camera body is in bubble wraps. So here's the camera body. The display is covered with a sticker. So let's place it. And then we have the lens also in bubble wrap. So this is 18 to 140 millimeter lens. So that's cool. And we have the strap. And we have the charger. And then we have the power cable. And then here we have the USB cable and the battery. And something else, I have to figure that out later. Okay, now then again let's put this over here. Now I bought a Inca UV filter. This is for the lens protection. So it's also nice to have one, especially when you're carrying an expensive camera like this. And also we got SanDisk Extreme Pro memory cards. I've got 2 of them. And this is the unboxing of my newest DSLR camera. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you.